So I just received my payout from ClickBank for the past 2 weeks, and as you can see, I was able to make over $2,700 with affiliate marketing. And in today's video, I'm going to show you one of the easiest methods that I've been using for the past week to make this amount of money. And it's so simple that you can replicate it without any previous skills, without any previous experience. And the best part is you don't even have to have your own website. I'm going to show you how to set up this very simple affiliate marketing strategy with literally zero cost in a couple of minutes. And all you will be needing for this is just ChatGPT and Google. So if you're looking forward to this, make sure to hit the like button under this video, make sure to subscribe to this channel to stay tuned for more money making content, and also make sure to leave a comment right under this video to help me with the YouTube algorithm so this video gets to as many people as possible, and I would greatly appreciate it. So the first thing you want to go to do is sign up for your free ClickBank account if you don't have one already. If you have been following some of my videos previously, you can see that I keep using ClickBank a lot because I find it to be the best affiliate marketplace for complete beginners. So if you're looking to make your first money online, ClickBank is a very safe bet to go for. What you want to do actually is sign up for a free account using this login button. Don't click on start right here, because that way, if you're going to click on login and you're going to go down here into this section, you can see you've got this create an account here button. And if you're going to use that instead of start here button, and if you're going to use that, you will skip the little annoying survey they put out to new ClickBank appliers, which is going to save you a couple of minutes of your time. So what you want to do is click on create an account here, and pretty much all you need to do here is just fill in the country that you are from, your first name, last name, choose a phone number, make sure to put in your email address, and choose a very strong password. Now you are going to be making money on this account, so make sure you're going to put all the valid information, because you will need this money to be paid out to you. And if you're going to put out something that's incorrect, you may not receive the money, and that's going to be a huge problem later down the road. So just make sure to fill out this form as accurately as you can. And what you want to do then is just continue to terms and conditions. You want to go through this so to know what to do and what not to do. And once you're going to do that, you can create your account. Once you're going to complete that, you want to log right into it. And once you get inside, you want to navigate to the affiliate marketplace. Now you get to choose from many of these different niches that you can promote to make some money, but there's always going to be just a couple of niches that are guaranteed to make you money all year round. Now you can do this method for any of these niches out there, but because summer is right around the corner and many people are still trying to catch up on their weight loss that they neglected all year long, what you want to do to be most sure you are going to make some money is go into health and fitness section, and you want to grab something from the weight loss niche. If you're going to check out all of these products right here, what you want to actually go for is something that's going to be actively promoting weight loss. So pretty much you should go for something that's going to be high converting and also make you decent amount of money. One of the safest bets out there that I have proven to make me money all year round is this custom keto diet that's been actually updated for 2023. And as you can see, on average, you get to make around $188 just for promoting this one single offer, with the initial conversion being $23, which is pretty much going to be like the first sale that you're going to get. But with all the upsells in this funnel, you can get to $188 very easily. So what you want to do here is just click on promote, and you want to grab the affiliate link to this offer, and you want to select this $1 trial, which is going to give away 3 free keto recipe books before. And that way, because you're going to give out free value first, anyone who's going to apply for this is that much more likely to make a purchase. Now I highly recommend that you go for exactly this option, because the traffic source that I'm going to give you is going to be primed for something like this. So what you want to do is just select this option, and then you want to type in your ClickBank nickname and just click on create a hop link. And once you create your hop link, you want to just copy it, and you want to go to bit.ly or any other link Shortener, because you want to create something that's going to be a little bit more appealing than this mixture of numbers and letters. So what you want to do is go to this back half section, because you want to type in there something that's going to entice people to click on it, because this link will be directly visible. So what you want to do is type in there something like custom keto diet free trial, because actually you will be giving away 3 free keto cookbooks first. So something like this is going to work very well. Now I'm just going to add a couple of letters and numbers in there, so I'm not going to be taking this available name from you guys. So if you're one of the first people to try out this method, you can type in custom keto diet free trial, and it's going to be working for you. Once you're going to customize this link, what you want to do is pretty much just click on create, and your link gets created right here. And you want to either leave this site open or save it somewhere where you can grab it a little bit later, because right now we are going to go to ChatGPT. What you want to do on ChatGPT is go to this prompt bar, and you want to type in there something that's going to be like, hey, please create me a quiz spreadsheet with 1 question and 3 answers each, where 1 answer is going to be right, 1 wrong, and 1 is going to be bizarrely funny. Make it keto diet themed. then just hit enter, let ChatGPT do its thing. And as you can see right here, ChatGPT is going to generate this very simple quiz for you, where one of these answers is going to be right, one of these is going to be wrong, and one of these is going to be obviously very funny. Now it really doesn't matter if these answers are actually factually correct, because all you want to do is just pre-prime whoever's going to be taking this quiz into thinking about keto diet and actually what it's about, because that way later down the road, once you're going to offer them these free keto cookbooks, they are that much likely to sign up for this, receive the free value in form of these 3 keto receipts, and that way they will be more likely to make a purchase later down the road. So once you have a simple quiz like this generated by ChatGPT, what you want to do is go to Google and you want to search for Google Forms. Hit search on that and you want to use this free online form creator that's created by Google that has actually all the options that are necessary for a successful affiliate marketing method. So what you want to do is just simply go to Forms, and you want to create a new form right here by pressing this blank button. Then as you can see right here, it's going to look something like this. First field will be reserved for an email address. Whoever's going to come to this website, they will need to input their email address to be able to proceed, and that's the important part. Then you've got this question right here that you can actually expand into a couple of questions with couple answers each, and this is exactly where we will be posting this quiz generated by ChatGPT for us. So what you want to do to start customizing it is first of all change the title of it to something like Custom Keto Diet Quiz. Then in this description I'm going to write something like, is keto diet the right choice for you? Find out in this quiz. Then what you want to do is go back to ChatGPT and you want to start copying and pasting each of these questions and answers into this field. So pretty much for the question, you want to copy and paste the question part, then just go back to ChatGPT and start copying and pasting each of these answers and pasting them into these fields right here. Once you paste the first one, go back to ChatGPT, copy the second answer, click on this blank button, and it's going to give you another option to paste, and then just do the same for this third part as well. What you want to also do is make sure that you're going to select this field required on, because that way people will need to answer all of these questions to be able to proceed. Once you're going to copy and paste the first question, you want to press this plus button, which is going to give you option to paste another question and answers, so just do that. So that's for the second question, and now we want to add another field and do it for the third, fourth, and fifth question as well. Once you're going to copy and paste all these questions and answers right here, now comes the important part. You want to go to these responses and then just click on link to sheets, because that way you will get to create your very own Google Sheet that's going to be collecting all the email addresses of whoever is going to come to this quiz. So just go ahead and name it something like Keto Quiz Email Capture or something like that. Just for your own reference, this is not going to be seen by anybody else, but you want to create this separate spreadsheet for it. Then go into the settings, and what you want to do is actually click on responses, and you want to make sure that collect email addresses is going to be set to responder input. And if you want, and this is completely optional, you can also send responders a copy of their response by putting this always option in there. Then what you want to do is go to this presentation field and you want to open it up, and in this custom confirmation message you want to click on edit, and you want to type in there something like, congratulations, you seem like a good fit to try out the free trial of Custom Keto Diet, claim your 3 free keto cookbooks right here. Then what you want to do is go ahead and paste the shortened link that you have created on Bitly, which is going to be directing people to the sales page of this product, and every time they are going to make a purchase, you're going to make a commission. That's pretty much for this part. And what you want to also make sure, if you're going to go to this default, you want to select form default, and you want to make sure that collect email addresses by default is going to be set to responder input. You don't want to select do not collect, because that way you will not be getting any email addresses, and you don't want to click on verified, because that way every time somebody is going to submit their email address, they are going to need to verify it in their inbox, and this is going to lower your conversions very dramatically. You want to select it to responder input, because that way you will be collecting these addresses automatically, and that's exactly what you are looking for. And now I'm going to show you how this quiz is going to work and how it's going to direct people into the sales page and capturing their email address in the process. So just click on preview button, and you want to also test this form out for yourself before you put it public, because you want to make sure this is going to be working. First of all, I'm going to put in my dummy email address, something like this. You don't have to go messaging this address because I do not use it, I do not check it. I will not receive any mail that goes through it. Then what you want to do is go ahead and fill this keto diet quiz. And for that, I'm just going to select random answers because I don't want to be really boring you with details of just like this, because we are here to make money, not to answer this quiz. Once people are going to finish this quiz and click on submit, they will get displayed this custom thank you message. As you can see right here, it's exactly the same thing that I have typed in there previously. And now all they have to do is just pretty much click on this link, be taken to the sales page and make a purchase. Now even if they are not going to buy something on their first try, what you can see right here in this spreadsheet is that I was able to capture this test email address that I have put in there. And once you get their email address, you can pretty much start mailing them these offers regularly. You can pretty much start mailing them regularly, promoting this exact affiliate offer or even different weight loss offers, because once they are going to fill out this quiz, you know they are interested in losing weight, and that way they are qualified for any weight loss offers. If you go to the affiliate page of this product and you scroll all the way down here, you will find these different email swipes that you can use to promote this affiliate offer. Pretty much just click on download right here and they get saved to your computer. All you have to do then is just go ahead and customize this with your name and your affiliate link and start sending out regularly these messages to whoever is going to complete your quiz. That way you can get sales from the same traffic source even if you're not going to make initial sales, and that's like the secret sauce of this entire affiliate marketing strategy, to be able to message those people later down the road. All you have to do then is just start spreading this quiz out to people who may be interested in keto diet or dieting in general. So pretty much just go ahead and copy its link. And if you go to Facebook and you're going to search for diet and weight loss, you get tons of these groups that are filled with literally thousands of people who are interested in dieting and losing weight. So pretty much just go ahead and paste the link to your quiz into some of these groups, and that way you're going to start getting traffic. Another good source of traffic you can find on Pinterest, because if you're going to go to search bar and you're going to look for weight loss, you get tons of these different pins that are promoting something very similar. All you have to do is just go back to the affiliate page, download some of the banners and images that are promoting the custom keto diet, start posting them as pins, and also make sure you're going to put your Shortener affiliate link in the description. That way you're going to start getting traffic to your quiz and in the end result into the sales page while capturing the emails in the process, and that's how you get paid. So if you are a complete beginner, this is one of the easiest methods that you can start making money online with. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button if you haven't already. And now if you're hungry for some more money making content, try checking out this video right here. Other than that, I just hope you have a fantastic day and I'm going to see you next time.